Hey everyone, bonus tip, stay hydrated. All right, Gil here with GrayManPrepping, and on this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about Powerless Hand Tools. Before I get into that, I want to take this opportunity to remind those that have not had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and click that little red button down there that says subscribe on it, and then ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a new video and you don't miss out on any of the cool information I'm giving out. Alrighty, so let's get down to business here. Powerless hand tools. And I know someone's going to go, what the heck are you talking about? Powerless hand tools. Either it's hand tools or it's got power. Well, a lot of people consider your cordless drills and stuff hand tools. Your corded drills, hand tools. Your circular saws, hand tools. If you hold it with your hand, move it around with your hand, they consider it a hand tool. All right, so just to clarify, I'm talking powerless hand tools. You know, like the old-fashioned drill where you go like this to drill through the hole down into the wood. A plane, hammer, screwdriver, chisel, hand saw, hacksaw, coping saw, any type of hand tool that you use without power, try to get some. But they're expensive. Yes, they are. But be smart about it. Thrift stores, you can usually pick some up fairly cheap. Estate sales, garage sales, flea markets, swap meets, check around. You can sometimes stumble on a really cool deal and get something that's actually worth a couple $100 for $10 because the person doesn't know what it is they're selling. They're just getting rid of stuff that their great grandfather had and they have no idea what it is. But as a prepper, you need to have that stuff. All right. So that's basically it. Put on your calendar, check garage sales, yard sales, estate sales. All right. You want to try to pick up some of these hand tools that you can get inexpensively this way instead of buying brand new, and it'll get the job done. Also, if you're worried about, well, the saws, they might be dull. Hey, great time to learn a new skill. There are plenty of videos on YouTube showing you the proper way to sharpen, crosscut, and rip hand saws, and miter saws as well. All righty. So with that, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most of all, stay prepared. All right? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.